Hello everyone, welcome to Neso Academy. We have already studied three different types of inheritance: single, multi-level and multiple. Now in this lecture, we will understand the fourth type of inheritance, which is the hierarchical inheritance. So without any further delay, let's get started with this lecture and let's see what are the topics. The first topic is Introduction to Hierarchical Inheritance. First, I will introduce you to hierarchical inheritance. Then we will move to the second topic where, with the help of an example, we will understand how to implement hierarchical inheritance. So these are the topics of this lecture. Let's start with the first one, Introduction to Hierarchical Inheritance. Now, what is hierarchical inheritance? In hierarchical inheritance, one base class is inherited by multiple derived classes. Now, this means one parent can have multiple children. This is possible in case of hierarchical inheritance. One base class can have multiple derived classes. This means one parent can have multiple children. Now, to understand this properly, let's consider the syntax of the hierarchical inheritance. Here is the syntax. Here we have the class A, and after this we have class B, which is inheriting from class A. This means we can say class B is the derived class of class A. So this is the base class and this is the derived class of this base class. Then we have class C, which is inheriting from class A. Therefore, we can say class C is the derived class of class A. Here we can observe that we have one base class and we have multiple derived classes of that base class. So here we have hierarchical inheritance. This is because one parent has multiple children. Now we can visualize this syntax with the help of this diagram. Here we can observe one parent, which is class A, is having two children, B and C. So this is hierarchical inheritance. With this, we have learned the basics of hierarchical inheritance in this topic. This means we are done with the first topic. Now let's move to the second topic where, with the help of an example, we will understand how we can implement hierarchical inheritance. Here is the example program. Here I've defined the class animal with the public member function eat that allows us to display this animal eats food. Then we have the class dog, which is inheriting from the class animal. This means dog is an animal. And this means this public member function is available in this class also. And it is available as the public member function because of this access specifier public. Now inside this class, we have this public member function bark that allows us to display the dog barks. Then after this, we have class cat, which is inheriting from the class animal. So this class is also inheriting from the class animal. This means cat is also an animal. And here we have the public access specifier. This means this public member function is still public in this class. Here we also have this public member function meow that will display the cat meows. So this is the program we have. And here we can observe these are the derived classes of the base class animal. We have one base class and it has two derived classes. Clearly here we have hierarchical inheritance. Now let's define the main function. This is how the main function looks like. Here we have the objects of the classes dog and cat. These are the objects D and C. Through the object D, I am calling the eat function and the bark function. This means I am calling these two functions. It is possible to call these two functions with the help of the object of the class dog, and this is what we can observe here. This is possible because these functions are public member functions and class dog can access these functions. I hope this is clear to you. So this is the reason why we can call these functions. In the same way, we can call the functions eat and meow with the help of the object of the class cat. This is because these functions are available in this class and these are public member functions. Now when we execute this program, we will get the output. This animal eats food, the dog barks. This animal eats food, the cat meows. So this example program is clearly showing how we can implement hierarchical inheritance in C++. So with this, we are done with the example program as well. This means we are done with this topic and we are done with this lecture. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will see you in the next one.